Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in the world. I hope you're having a great day. Is this the best music app ever? We're going to get into it. So the app is called eSound. It is available on the iOS App Store, and basically, I think it's amazing to be honest. You obviously have Spotify, Apple Music, but this is free. It has adverts apparently. I haven't had any adverts yet. Granted, I've only messed around with it for about half an hour. I can keep you updated on it if you want, guys. But I think it's really nice, really good music app, right? So let's hop on over to it. So to start, you basically have to pick like your favorite artist out of a bunch. So I've already done that. You can create a playlist and then you can add songs to it, whatever you want, really. I think it has 150 million songs. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Also, going to have to mute the audio because obviously copyright. So you're not going to actually hear the song, but you can literally just click on any of the songs and you just play. Granted, it takes a few seconds. There's like a little bit of time there that it takes, but mate, it's free. To be honest, I couldn't care less. It works. I think it's great. You can also let's create a playlist, right? So we'll create a playlist called YouTube, and you can have a bio with it. You can add a picture to it, like an album artwork cover. I'm not gonna do the album artwork cover, but you can do if you want. Um, okay, autocorrect does not work on here. Right, let's get that sorted. There we go. Click return on that, and bam, we are done. Create it, and it should be live once we hit that. Don't forget to click the playlist name before you click add songs. I've just messed up there. I'm gonna have to do that again. Right, add to playlist, YouTube, add songs. There you go. Right, now you can see that album artwork cover here. Save songs, and then you can play it. I tested it out. You cannot, I repeat, cannot play the song offline. You might be able to if you have the premium version, but as it stands, the free version you cannot do that. Makes sense, to be honest. All the good music apps really the premium to listen to it offline, which is fair enough. You gotta pay. You gotta pay. Obviously have rankings from the different countries. That's quite cool. I quite like that. I've not used that yet though. But overall, I think this app's amazing. I think you should give it a try. If you don't like it, what's the harm? You might have wasted a little bit of time of your day, of the evening, or whatever. But it's free. If you like music, you're gonna love it. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. See you soon.